Welcome to Decode Finance, where we unravel the mysteries of money management. Today, we're diving into the world of budgeting for beginners and uncovering the secrets to creating a budget that works for you. I'm excited to guide you through this journey to financial empowerment. So, grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Budgeting. It's the cornerstone of financial success, yet many find it intimidating, but fear not. In this video, we'll demystify budgeting and show you how to take control of your finances. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is budgeting? Simply put, budgeting is a plan that helps you manage your money by allocating it to different expenses and savings goals. But it's more than just tracking your spending. Budgeting empowers you to make intentional choices about how you use your hard-earned cash. Now that we understand the importance of budgeting, let's talk about how to get started. The first step is a mindset shift. Embrace the idea that budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about freedom and empowerment. Creating a budget may seem daunting, but fear not. We've broken it down into 5 simple steps. Step 1. Assessing income. Start by calculating your monthly income. This includes not only your salary, but also any additional sources of income, such as side gigs or freelance work. Remember, it's essential to consider both regular and irregular sources of income to get an accurate picture of your financial situation. Step 2. Tracking expenses. Track your expenses, every single one. This may seem tedious, but trust me, it's worth it. You'll be amazed at where your money goes once you start paying attention. There are plenty of tools and apps available to help you track your spending, so find one that works for you and stick with it. Step 3. Categorizing expenses. With your expenses tracked, it's time to categorize them. Divide your expenses into categories like housing, transportation, groceries, and entertainment. This step gives you a clear understanding of where your money is going and where you might be overspending. Step 4. Setting financial goals. What do you want to achieve with your money? Whether it's saving for a dream vacation, buying a home, or paying off debt, setting financial goals is key to success. Be specific, be realistic, and most importantly, be intentional about your goals. They'll serve as your North Star on your financial journey. Step 5. Creating the budget. Finally, it's time to create your budget. Start by allocating your income to each expense category based on your priorities and goals. Remember, your budget is a living document. It's okay to adjust and refine it as needed. Flexibility is key to long-term success. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips to help you succeed with your budget. Tip 1. Embrace the 50-30-20 rule for budgeting your income. Tip 2. Automate your savings and bill payments to stay on track. Tip 3. Be mindful of impulse purchases and differentiate between needs and wants. Tip 4. Review your budget regularly and adjust as needed to stay on course. Tip 5. Celebrate your progress and stay motivated on your financial journey. With these tips in mind, you're well equipped to tackle your budget with confidence. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a perfect budget. But every step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. And there you have it, budgeting made simple. By following these steps and staying committed to your financial goals, you'll be well on your way to financial success. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Decode Finance for more money-saving tips and financial wisdom.